With the floods affecting large parts of New South Wales, it's really important to stay safe when returning home and be mindful of your drinking water. When you're returning to your home when it's safe to do so, make sure that you have good protective equipment like gloves, gowns or masks or full-length clothing, as well as covered shoes. This can make sure that you avoid exposure to the floodwaters, which can be highly polluted. They can be contaminated by chemicals and also by sewage that may have overflown. It's important to avoid exposure to floodwaters. For example, it's important not to swim in the floodwaters. That can cause skin infections, gastro, and also there's some unusual or rare conditions like leptospirosis, which can affect you if you're exposed to that water. When you're in your home, make sure to look for areas that are highly wet and start drying them out. You may use a fan, you may open your doors and windows, and also look for places where water can gather, such as wall cavities or under the floor. When you're thinking about your drinking water, remember that you may have a rainwater tank which may have been inundated. Consider things like whether the water in there might already be contaminated because of the floods. Other places in New South Wales may be on a boil water alert. This means that the water that's applied to your tap may not be safe to drink, but you can make it safe by boiling the water. Remember to use this boiled water for a lot of activities of normal life, like brushing your teeth, cleaning your vegetables, cooking, and also your pet's water. When these options aren't available, think about using bottled water. Some people may have septic tanks on their property. These can overflow with sewage, so make sure again to inspect your tank system, get assistance from your manufacturer if appropriate, or your local council as well.